Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a bike check on Baxter's. This is Baxter. He's 2019 Specialised FSR Stunt Jumper.
Today I'm just going to go through the parts of the bike and the components of the bike. Starting off with the suspension of the bike. It's got a 150mm Fox 34. It's pretty nice. There's SRAM guide brakes. 200mm rotors. SRAM NX Eagle shifting. There's a SRAM NX crank with Eagle chainring, and NX rail and NX cassette. For the back shock, there is a Fox Float DPS Evolve. For the post, there is a 120mm X Fusion seat. It's just a specialised Phenom seat. Fox 780 specialised bars. Rims, then Noble Traverse 29ers. For the tyres, they're Butcher 29ers but at 2.6. This is the stock specialised plastic pedals. The medium frame, and it's a good fit for me.